So next one is Nilgiri Tahr. Nilgiri Tahr. Okay. Why is it news? Because Kerala and Tamil Nadu will join hands to count endangered Nilgiri Tahr, as the animal is only found in selected habitats of the two states. Nilgiri Tahr is an endangered animal and it is found only in the two states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And now both the governments are trying to count the number of Nilgiri Tahr lost or try to restore or conserve its number. Okay. Now about Nilgiri Tahr. It is the only mountain ungulate. Only mountain ungulate. Ungulate means animal with hooves. Okay. In southern India, amongst the 12 species present in India, there are 12 species of tahr present in India, ungulate present in India. And among that, the only one species, mountain ungulate, is this one. Okay. Hooves means that horn thing. I mean that something in the legs below that. Okay, for easy traveling, locomotion. Yes, and also the horns are also important. Okay. It is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Habitat. Endemic to Western Ghats. Okay, Western Ghats. With current distribution between Nilgiris in the north and Kanyakumari Hills in the south of the region. Okay, it is seen between the Western Ghats, between Nilgiris in the north and Kanyakumari Hills in the south. Okay, Iravikulam National Park in Anamalai Hills, Kerala is the home to largest population of Nilgiri Tahr. The largest population of Nilgiri Tahr is seen in the Iravikulam National Park. We discussed about Iravikulam National Park in last class. Anamalai Hills, yes. Okay, Shola forests were present then. Okay. Then Mukurti National Park created to protect the keystone species. This Nilgiri Tahr was need to be protected. That is the reason why Mukurti National Park was created. Okay. Now, what are the characteristics? It is one of the few species of mountain carpine and the only tahr which is adapted to cold and wet tropical climate. Cold and wet tropical means equatorial climates, tropical climate. Okay, it is the only tahr which is adapted to this type of climate. Diurnal, that is active in morning as well as night. It's grazing in the early morning and late afternoon. Both times. It is both active in the both times, in the early morning as well as in the noon. Okay. Threat is habitat loss and hunting. Now regarding its protection status, IUCN, it is endangered. And Wildlife Conservation Act of 1972 is obviously it will be in the Schedule 1. Okay. This is the only why, because these are present only in two states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So only limited in number. So what are the conservation efforts? Mainly, first one is Iravikulam National Park is the highest, is the area where we can see highest number of Nilgiri Tahr, and Mukurti National Park was mainly formed for the conservation of Nilgiri Tahr. Now, another important thing is Project Nilgiri Tahr. Okay, this was by government of Tamil Nadu. Okay, implementation for 5-year period from 2022 to 2027. And the objective is develop a better understanding of Nilgiri Tahr population through surveys and radio telemetry studies. Okay, we are understanding how their number could be increased, how its threat could be reduced. We have seen that the threat is habitat destruction. Okay, what all we can do to increase its number and to conserve it. That is the one of the objective is by surveys and radio telemetry studies. Second one is reintroduce the tahr to their historical habitat. Okay. Now, the third one is address proximate threats and increase public awareness of the species, funding by Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board. Okay. The funding is done by Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board. So what we studied was project Nilgiri Tahr. Nilgiri Tahr is in the conservation status of endangered in IUCN list and Schedule 1 in Wildlife Protection Act. Okay. Project Nilgiri Tahr was by Tamil Nadu government. It was funding by Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board. Okay. Majorly the objectives of the project Nilgiri Tahr was study about the populations regarding using surveys, etc. Then reintroduction into the historical habitat and raising awareness and increasing its number. Okay.